What is a jackfruit? Jackfruit is a tropical fruit that is produced all over the world. It's a South Indian native. It belongs to the Moraceae family of plants, which includes fig, mulberry, and breadfruit. Jackfruit is a green or yellow fruit with a spiky outer skin. The relatively big size of jackfruit is one of its distinguishing features. It is the world's largest tree fruit, with a weight of up to 80 pounds. The flavor of jackfruit is sweet and delicious. It is supposed to taste like a combination of fruits such as apples, pineapples, mangoes, and bananas. Because jackfruit can tolerate tropical climes, it can be a significant source of calories and carbohydrates for individuals in underdeveloped countries who are starving. Despite its tropical origins, jackfruit is becoming more readily available in other parts of the world, including the United States. During the summer, it is in season. The flesh, or fruit pods, of jackfruit is the most widely consumed component, which is palatable both ripe and unripe. It works well in both sweet and savory recipes, including as sweets and curries. It is also safe to eat the seeds. Thank you for choosing to watch this video. If you find it interesting, please like, comment and share. The nutritional profile of jackfruit is impressive. It has a modest calorie content, with 155 calories per 1 cup, 165-gram portion. Carbohydrates account for roughly 92% of the calories, with protein and a minor amount of fat accounting for the rest. The nutrients in 1 cup of sliced fruit are as follows: carbohydrates, 40 grams calories, 155 3 grams of fiber, 3 grams of protein, 10% of the recommended daily intake, RDI, of vitamin A, vitamin C, 18% of the recommended daily intake, riboflavin accounts for 11% of the recommended daily intake. Magnesium, 15% of the recommended daily intake, potassium, 14% of the recommended daily intake, copper accounts for 15% of the recommended daily intake. Manganese is present in 16% of the recommended daily intake. Blood sugar control benefits. Jackfruit includes a number of characteristics that may aid with blood sugar control. It has a low glycemic index, GI, which is a measurement of how rapidly your blood sugar rises after you eat something. This is due to the fiber it contains, which helps to slow digestion and avoid blood sugar rises. Furthermore, jackfruit contains protein, which may help prevent blood sugar levels from rising too quickly following a meal. Adults who ingested jackfruit extract had considerably lower blood sugar levels, according to one study. Furthermore, a diabetic mouse study discovered that jackfruit leaf extract reduced fasting blood sugar levels and improved long-term blood sugar control. These effects were ascribed to the flavonoid antioxidants found in jackfruit, which are known for their capacity to support blood sugar control. Although the findings of these trials are encouraging, further research including people who eat fresh jackfruit is needed to confirm these potential benefits. It has the potential to protect you from disease. Jackfruit is strong in a number of potent antioxidants that have a variety of health advantages, including lowering the risk of a variety of ailments. Antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are generally the result of free radical damage. Here's a rundown of the most abundant antioxidants in jackfruit. Vitamin C. Jackfruit is abundant in vitamin C, which may help prevent chronic diseases including heart disease and cancer by reducing inflammation. Carotenoids. Studies have shown that carotenoids can help reduce inflammation and lessen the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Flavonones. Flavonones have anti-inflammatory effects that may help lower blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels, all of which are key factors in preventing type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Jackfruit is claimed to have a number of other health benefits that have yet to be researched. Immune health. The immune-boosting vitamins A and C found in jackfruit may aid in the prevention of diseases. It is also stated that eating this fruit can assist to reduce the risk of viral illnesses. Due to its potassium, fiber, and antioxidant content, jackfruit has the potential to lessen the risk of heart disease. Preventing skin problems. This fruit contains a variety of nutrients and antioxidants, including vitamin C, which may help to enhance skin health. Anecdotal data suggests that eating it can help your skin age more slowly. Furthermore, the roots and extracts have been used in traditional Indian and Sri Lankan medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including asthma, diarrhea, and stomach ulcers, but no scientific evidence has been found to support these claims. Although scientific proof does not back up these claims, eating jackfruit in your diet is definitely worth a shot if you want to improve your health. The risk of eating jackfruit. Although jackfruit is generally harmless, certain people may need to limit or avoid it. It causes allergies in certain people, particularly those who are allergic to birch pollen. Furthermore, because it has the ability to reduce blood sugar levels, diabetics may need to adjust their prescription dosages if they consume this fruit on a regular basis. Nonetheless, there have never been any major side effects associated with eating jackfruit, and it is considered safe for most people to consume. Jackfruit is beneficial to your health for a variety of reasons. It's abundant in nutrients and antioxidants, and it could help with a variety of health issues, including blood sugar regulation. Eat jackfruit simple or in a variety of ways to simply incorporate it into your diet. It's a great meat substitute in vegetarian and vegan cooking. Fresh jackfruit is easier to come by during the summer months, although canned jackfruit is available year-round at most grocery shops. Adding jackfruit to your diet is a good idea because it is a healthy and unusual meal to explore. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found my video interesting. Please subscribe, like and comment.